Hi friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. Friends, this is part 2 of yoga for memory and concentration. So please do watch part 1 also, so that you will get to know more stretches, so you can practice whichever is suitable for you. This video is for school going children and students of college and universities who may require to remember a lot of things and to learn and memorize and write in the exams. So for them, memory, concentration, focus, grasping, attention, all these are very important. So this video is especially for them. So please do practice, and you will definitely improve your memory and concentration and focus. Okay, this happens when we increase the blood supply to the head, and balancing postures, which I am going to show in this video. Balancing postures require a lot of focus of mind and concentration. So that's how when we focus your mind, you can balance these postures, and that helps for stimulating the nervous system. Okay, so let's start. So balancing posture, first one we'll see the SIRSHASAN or tree pose. So shift your weight to the left foot, lift your right leg, hold here, balance first on the left foot. When you find you balance yourself, then take your right foot on the inner side of left thigh. So here you need to remember, you will bring your foot either above the knee or below the knee, but not on the knee. Okay, initially if you're not able to bring here, you can just put it here below the knee, and you can balance like this. Or if you're fine to balance, then bring it on the inner side of the left thigh. Either stretch your hands to balance yourselves. Initially you can do this way, or bring your palms to the chest in Namaskar Mudra. Or if you are okay, you can stretch your hands here and hold. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as I said, this kind of balancing requires a lot of focus of mind, then only you can balance. Okay, now we'll repeat with the other leg. Shift your weight to the right foot, lift your left leg, balance and focus mind and balance on the right foot. Now take your left foot on the inner side of right thigh. Stretch your hands to balance yourselves, and take your hands up. Breathe in, breathe out. Focus your mind on one small spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, okay, one more posture is warrior 3. Again, it's a balancing posture. So stand in the center of your mat, separate your legs hip distance. Take your right foot back. Again here, this posture also, if you want, you can stretch your hands front this way, or if you want to balance, you can stretch your hands to the sides. That is also fine. Okay. Breathe in. First I'll show with the hands to the sides. Breathe in. Breathing out. You have to lift back foot, back leg straight, and look down. No need of lifting your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, you can see this requires a lot of focus of mind to balance on one foot. Change leg. Now I will show with the hands stretched front. Take your left leg back, right leg front. Breathe in. Breathing up, slowly bend forward and lift your leg. This is how, when you are bending, you have to lift your back leg so that you are completely straight and balanced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in, come back. So you can see it requires a lot of focus of mind when you want to balance this kind of postures. Okay, one more posture is dancing pose or Natarajasana. Again, it's a balancing pose, so we need to focus our mind. Shift your weight to the right foot, bend your left leg, hold your left ankle with the left hand, stretch your right hand up, breathe in, breathing out, bend forward and stretch your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back. Again, this requires a lot of focus of mind to balance. So this kind of postures children should definitely try to do every day. Okay, we'll repeat it with the other leg. Shift your weight to the left foot, bend your right leg, stretch your hand, stretch left hand up. When you're fine to balance on the left foot, breathe in, breathing out. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And come back. Relax for some time in Vajrasana. Okay, so this is how we need to do. Initially, you may not be able to balance, so you can take the support of wall, then you can try this. Then slowly, as you practice, only you can get there. Okay. Okay, one more very important exercise is super brain yoga. You must be knowing. So it's also very good. It stimulates the acupressure points in the ear lobes, and also when you do up and down sitting in squat, it's very good. It stimulates the brain and improves the memory and focus and concentration. Okay, separate your legs 2 feet apart. Now first, left hand, hold your right ear lobe. The soft part down, just try to press with your 2 fingers, index and thumb, and take the right hand, hold your left ear lobe, breathe in. Okay, you are bringing your hips between your heels, so completely you have to sit down and come up. 1, 2, breathe out, breathe in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, relax and sit. So this is also very good. Super brain yoga, it's very beneficial for children to increase the memory and focus. So many benefits are there, so please try to do. I showed 10 times, but you repeat at least 20 to 30 daily regularly. When you do, try to increase the numbers. Okay, so one more important yoga posture for increasing memory is, as I said, you have to increase the blood supply to the head. So for the SIRSHASAN or the headstand. Okay, initially if you're not able to do on the mat, you can take the support of wall and you do. So even with the support of wall, the effects are same, because we bring all the blood from the lower body to the head, which is very beneficial. Okay, SIRSHASAN or headstand I am showing with the support of wall. So place your mat touching the wall and fold it just to give the cushion to the head. Just fold the mat and bring it close to the wall. Okay? Now interlock your fingers. Place your elbows on the mat, interlock your fingers and bring the center of the head, okay? This is very important. You have to bring the center or the crown of the head to the mat. Okay? Now lift your knees. Walk your legs towards your head. Walk. As you walk, you can see at one point, you can feel like lifting your legs, okay? So walk your legs, slowly bend one leg and other. So you can balance now. Stretch one leg and other. Hold here. If you're not able to balance, you can touch the wall and support the wall. Otherwise, you can do without support of wall here. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend legs first and slowly bring your legs down. So this is how we can do with the support of wall. Initially you can take the support and later on you can move away from the wall. Okay. As you get used to and when you are confident enough, you can move your mat to a little away from the wall and you can try so that you will be confident that there is wall. Okay. So here again, interlock fingers, center of the head down, lift your knees, walk your legs and lift. Stretch slowly here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can also open legs and hold. And slowly come down. Okay, so this is very, very good. So this is how you can do the SIRSHASAN or headstand. This is very, very beneficial. As I said, with support of wall or without support of wall, the effects are same because we increase the blood to the head and brain. Okay? So try to do these balancing postures which are very, very beneficial for you to focus, increase concentration, memory, and so many benefits are there. Not only memory increase, even the health benefits are there. So many health benefits will be there in these postures. So do practice and be regular in your practice and do well in your studies. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Namaste.